Hey guys, welcome back to another Extreme Clean with me. Today's video is inspired by Marie Kondo's new Konmari method. We're going to be decluttering the kitchen, and we took everything out of the cabinets, so we've seen everything at hand, and then we went through and cleaned everything. I hope you enjoy this week's cleaning motivation. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you're not already. Enjoy the video.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down. It's ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've disgusted with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
So are you happy now? Things just got so crazy from a simple maybe. It was a long way down. I just feel so heavy without you. Everything we were was just so pretty, pretty enough to almost make me blind. Still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on and on, flashing up like disco lights on and on. The dance floor where I met you, I danced all alone. Nothing left to prove, yeah, I'm dancing till my feet can't feel the ground. Wishing I still dance with you. Still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on and on, flashing up like disco lights on and on. The dance floor where I met you, I dance all alone. Nothing left to prove, yeah, I'm dancing till my feet can feel the ground. Wishing I still dance with you. Dance with you, I wanted to dance until my feet can feel the ground.
Don't take no chances. Fill up all the blanks with lemon sprinkled ice. Please don't ask me twice. Rhythm got me bouncing, bottles got me crashing. Don't you know? Don't you know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it? I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to a drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for the just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for the just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. DJ got me twisted, liquid got me distant. Don't you know? Well, you should know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to a drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for the just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for the just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for the just the high life twist, just the high life, high life. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to a drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for the just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for the just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for the
feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you. Trying to get your attention, you make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you
Hey guys, I'm
feels
all
so special. Pretty other from the minute
walkthrough of what I
that
did
met
today. So I just went ahead and I decluttered all these cabinets here. I took stuff out. Oops, look at that. Something's already messed up. Some of these are empty because I need to go do my shopping haul. But I did that. We got to those up there, which I'm not going to climb up there and open. And then I did down here. There was just like a bunch of cleaning stuff everywhere, and I just got out like the empties and stuff. I am getting ready to do a cleaning haul on what I need here coming up in a week or two. And then in here we got rid of a lot of stuff. As you can see, I don't really own a lot of dishes. It kind of looks like a lot, but we have a lot of stainless steel stuff and just a couple of these because we don't use paper products on a regular basis. So yeah, I just like to have these things. And then in the dishwasher, there's really like not even that much in there, so we don't really have a lot of dishes to get rid of aside from what you guys saw. And then in my Tupperware section, what I ended up doing was moving some of the kids' plates and stuff down here. And then here's the Tupperware too that I showed. James did get some more handles put on the drawers here. We organized this one up a little bit. I do need some more little bins and stuff, but this is what we had on hand to just get the job done. So I'm pleased with it being decluttered. I didn't do this one simply because I need to buy a spice rack. So I didn't get to this one because everything in there we pretty much need. It just needs to be organized down here again because I took something out of there to put it in another drawer. Then over here I just have like my oils for my diffuser, some other little, you know, accessories. And then up there, we did go through and do these. We cleaned them out. I still need to paint the tops. I got like lunch boxes and stuff up there. I did have 2 George Foreman's because this one's super old. My husband used to have that one up there in his work truck, but not anymore. But we're just hanging on to that because we can always camp with it. And we have the space. It's not like our drawers are too crowded. Have these. I also keep other baking goods down here because I don't use this for a warming rack. Oh, it's so tall. Okay, in there. So I just have some wine glasses and a rice cooker because I don't cook rice regular. I have to have that. I have this to hang all of our pots and pans. Last year we actually ended up getting rid of all of our pots and pans and dishes, and we just have this set right here. And then I have, like I said, those couple pans right there. And I do use all of them, and they're not decluttered, so I keep them. And then over here we decluttered this one. I just have my blender down there, and this is how I hold my pots and pans lids because they're like all interchangeable. And I also keep my crock pot lid there too, and a cutting mat. As far as the silverware goes, we finally got a handle on that. And here's all the silverware. We really don't have a lot. We do have 2 sets of silverware just because it got to be a pain if we had guests over, like around the holidays. So we have 2 sets of these, but I don't have a lot of utensils at all just like one of everything that we like need. I don't have anything extra. Back here I just have some spare cake tips and then like some wine accessories if we ever have any. We don't really drink, but just to keep them on hand, and a spare lighter. And then aside from that, these are my only other utensils. This is the only thing that I use to cook with, are just these 5 things right here. So it's been a crazy couple of days. I haven't really done much other than clean and just try to stay on top of everything. The house is a wreck. I'll probably get to that at one way or another, but I think I'm gonna actually end up doing the refrigerator next because it's pretty gross in here and I need to grocery shop and it needs to be cleaned out. There's like a bunch of stuff in the bottom. So yeah, I'm gonna end up getting rid of that. And we'll probably do that next and maybe clean the oven. So please give this video a like, subscribe if you're not already, and thank you so much for watching as always and tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.